Welcome back to Rishi, your trusted source for the latest updates in international education. New figures from the UK Visa and Immigration Department show that 16% fewer visa applications were made between July and September than in 2023. This decline highlights a drop in international students applying to study in the UK this summer. Additionally, visa applications for family members of students dropped by a staggering 89%. This sharp decline follows a rule change implemented by the previous government, which took effect in January 2024, restricting dependents from accompanying students. Then Prime Minister Rishi Sunak emphasized that the move would help bring down migration, claiming it would make a significant difference to immigration numbers. However, it remains unclear how much it will impact official migration figures, since students and their families who stay in the UK for less than a year aren't counted in migration statistics. Last year, 136,000 visas were granted to dependents, a significant rise from 55,000 in 2021, more than 7 times the 19,000 odd in 2020. These increases are largely attributed to changes in study visa requirements post-Brexit and the 2019 rule changes that allowed international students to stay in the UK for 2 years after graduating to seek employment. In a statement made to the Parliament, the then Home Secretary Braverman said all the initiatives taken strike the right balance between reducing migration and protecting the economic benefits that students bring to the UK. However, university staff, represented by the University and College Union, described the move as vindictive and expressed deep concern over its potential impact on the higher education sector. Adam Habib, the director of the School of Oriental and African Studies at the University of London, strongly criticized the decision, calling it a terrible move for 3 key reasons: a financial challenge for universities, a lack of coherence in government policy, and human rights issues. He added that UK universities are already facing financial crises, with the ongoing strikes and struggles amongst vice-chancellors to manage these challenges. The decision, he warned, could only make things worse. For students currently in the UK, a reduction in the number of incoming international students might lead to less competition for housing, part-time jobs, and campus resources. Smaller classes may also mean more personalized attention from faculty and access to on-campus support services. Additionally, it could improve job prospects post-graduation, as fewer international graduates will be competing for positions within the UK job market. On the flip side, this reduction could have negative long-term consequences. Fewer international students may lead to financial shortfalls for universities, potentially resulting in higher tuition fees or reduced student services. The tightening of visa rules could also discourage talented students from choosing UK as their study destination, limiting the diversity of perspectives on campus and reducing networking opportunities for students to connect with peers from different backgrounds.